Everybody, this is Asha, and I am finishing up my first series of classes with Mama A, and it was the full 8 classes of the basic herbal science, which was a phenomenal series of courses. As someone who loves everything about science, it was just taking a lot of knowledge, prior information that I've already had to the next level of being able to truly understand the basic science of healing, understanding different parts of the body and how we can use things in the earth to heal ourselves. Looking forward to moving on to the next series, which is alchemy. But it is a wonderful course if you truly are looking to just really understand how can we heal ourselves. There's so many different things going on in the world, from our foods to environment, and just really understanding how we can take some knowledge, information, and things that are really from the earth to heal ourselves. So that's it.